And we're live.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the Daily Upload Gang. Today we're playing Super Monkey Bowling 2, the second one we have on our channel by popular request. And today we're going to be doing tasks, trick shots.
Yeah.
That's what you guys want. Today I'm joined with David, of course. Yeah, we're also speedrunning. We got David here, of course. Myself, and we have Garrett, our special guest star.
Hello.
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I go to.
Don't say where you go. Don't say where you go. Don't say where you go.
I'm graduated.
Yeah.
He's 37 actually.
I'm Garrett. I don't think I do anything else.
You play monkey bowling.
I play a lot of
Whoa! That was crazy. Wow, you're gonna want to have to replay that one. What?
Whoa! Don't be doing that. Stop it.
I don't know how to play.
Press the button.
I'm pressing them. I'm pressing them. It's broken. This game is broken.
I'm
pressing it. Okay, now it's working.
We're back.
Alright, that was technical difficulties, you guys. But we're back and we're better than ever.
I'm getting. What is the sound? Oh, it's dead.
What are you?
I'll have to wait.
Alright.
Sorry about that, guys.
Alright, so we're playing some monkey bowling today.
We need some more trick shots up in here.
Yeah, let's get some trick shots up in here. Garrett?
Yeah, no, I'll. Yeah, that's me. How do I spell?
Damn. That was crazy.
How do I
aimed it directly off.
How do I spin the ball?
It's L and R
and
at spin to ball. Oh, I forgot he's playing on the. Oh, you didn't do it.
Yeah, I forgot.
He was telling you as it was your time to go. How do you forget as he's saying it to you?
Alright, watch this.
Oh, let's see.
Oh, the trick shot. Oh,
What a fail.
yeah. That was on the trick shot fail compilation.
Oh, what
That
a
one too. That one too. Don't you worry, you guys, because I can hit you with a sick trick shot.
Trick shot.
Trick shot. All right, you guys. Don't you? Oh, this video. All right. Don't you even worry. Cause I'm gonna hit you with a sick. Dude, I don't like this.
Sick Fallout.
Yeah, Fallout New Vegas. What a sick trick shot!
Yo, I spun the ball. I'm gonna get a spare for all the fans at home.
Yeah, comment down below if you want to see Garrett hit a spare.
Me, Garrett.
That's right.
Not enough people commented for you.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what happens to you when you're graduated.
Alright, guys. I'm going for a strike right here. So comment.
Oh boy.
If you
Comment
hope
if
I'm
you
getting
want
a
David to get a strike. I want to see all the comments down below. Oh, you put a little spin on it.
oh.
Oh,
Not
but he's
enough
not good
comments.
at the game.
Comment if you want me to get a spare, though.
Yeah, comment down below. Oh, that's so rough. You're not getting anything. Oh, the spare.
Oh.
Oh no.
No dead silence. No
That
silence.
was so much
Oh,
dead
yeah,
space.
that's right.
We said nothing. We said nothing. We just
No,
watched it.
let's. All right,
All right, you guys. All right,
Give
you
me a
guys. I'm gonna hit.
Oh, trick shot.
The
Oh!
bounce. Oh.
Oh.
See you guys.
go
That
for
was
that
almost a
again.
trick shot.
Almost, almost.
All right, I got you. I'll do that again. All right, here it is. That's a little too much.
All right, I'll hit a trick shot.
Oh.
Oh,
That was pretty tricky.
yeah. Thanks, guys.
No problem, man. I got you.
I'm trying to. Oh,
Oh,
spare.
despair.
Oh.
Oh. You guys should have commented. That's your fault.
Yeah.
David's back up.
I'm
Did
doing
you notice
this
that David
next
has?
one. What?
Shut up.
Take the shot. You got
I'm
this.
doing this with my eyes closed.
Oh.
Ultimate trick shot.
Uh-oh.
He cheated. He cheated. He had to have cheated.
No, I
No,
didn't
I don't
cheat.
believe
no,
it. I
my
don't
eyes were
believe it.
closed. I swear. I swear.
You gonna me?
What is that noise? What is that?
That was nothing.
Okay.
That was. I mean,
Garrett's
It
quick
sounded
as
like
that.
it sounded like the poltergeist. All right.
oh,
Oh, good hit.
get yourself a spare.
8-pin. I'm gonna get the first spare of the game right here. As long as no. Okay, there we go. There we go. No, this is the trick shot. Wait for it. The bounce. No.
It's the first time I've ever seen someone get in the gutter.
Yeah. Honestly, I think it takes. I think it takes more skill to actually get in the gutter.
Yeah, that's what you're
Okay.
going for, right, Dylan?
Yeah, that was my trick shot.
Crazy trick shot.
See, that was actually a task. Doing that shot there,
Yeah.
and it
that was-
strategically only got 8, so we could hit the spare on this turn with a cool trick shot for you guys. We programmed this one right up for you.
Oh shit! I pressed the wrong button. Almost.
Yeah. That's the spirit.
How much
get him
time have we
next
been?
time.
How long have we been doing this for?
We got 2 more minutes.
2 more? I can't. This video really moved.
Oh.
Oh, good try.
Oh
You
darn!
gotta hit a trick shot before this video. ends.
Fallout New Vegas. Oh, there's
5
too much dead
minutes.
space. We
Great
gotta be
hit,
saying
great
something.
hit. 5 pins. Wow.
Eh,
That's
Really
a lot.
solid.
Why does this always happen? Why does
Really
this always? There we go. No, what? All right,
All right. Craziest trick shot.
this is gonna be the craziest trick shot.
Oh,
Oh.
The trick shot!
Trick shot.
You
From
got
the
that was for
brain.
you guys. That trick shot.
He's gonna
I don't
get
think
Someone commented.
Someone commented for me. Thanks, you guys. I don't think anybody's actually still watching. They're all gone by now. Despair! I got despair! I take it back. Somebody
my
was blessing
God.
me in the comments.
the highlight of the video.
That was incredible.
What a
This is
shot.
going down in monkey ball speedrun.
Monkey bowling.
Monkey bowling speedrunning history.
For
Yeah.
real. An iconic moment.
Should we do another video after this, David?
We upload every.
We don't upload every month. You can't say that anymore.
This is too meta. We can't be talking about this right now.
Oh, you're right. All right. I just figured because nobody's still watching, it's just fun.
Oh, guys, I'm not.
Fallout New Vegas.
Oh, what a shot.
Whoa.
What a shot.
He's sad. He's sad. He just got 9
Oh,
fins.
we're at you know.
Oops.
We're at time. We're at 10 minutes.
Uh-huh.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching our newest monkey bowling video. It was a real treat to make this. We've had this one in the works for a while now. I tune in next time for our next video. Do you have any closing words, Garrett?
No.
Do you have any closing words, David?
No.
Alright, well I have some. Tune in next time. Alright, cut it.